What's up, everybody? Folks, we are at IV8888. Did I say too many 88s?
No, I think it's four. It's right.
I did say four. All right. Luckily, I have a beautiful young lady with Stern Defense, Miss Andrea. She is going to tell us about what we got going on over here at Stern.
Hey guys, it's a beautiful day in Georgia. We're showing our rapid attach buttstock adapter. This is our newest product line in our series. So rapid attach buttstock adapter. So it connects to your lower receiver via flange connector into your buffer tube via a castle nut. So just quick plug and play. It's 7075 aircraft aluminum. It's lightweight. You've got a buffer retaining lever here that's out of steel, so it's nice and sturdy for you. And then we've got a couple more in the series. Sorry, my mic flew over. So we've got a pick rail version as well as a mini version. So it just uses the chassis and then the standard buffer tube. And I'll show you our takedown 222 on that. So this is the mini version. A little bit different because you don't need the buffer retaining lever to maintain the buffer. And it's
Nice.
It's a pull button instead of the press. Yeah, so that's our newest line of products.
Folks, listen, if you need a quick fix, something innovative, something cool, you make sure you get over to Stern Defense.
And it retails for $139.99, so it's
No.
yeah, so it's half the price of a holder.